Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase coins on TikTok easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and search for the TikTok app. Make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version, because sometimes certain features may not appear if the app is outdated. Once you have updated the app, simply open TikTok. Now tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, select the option called Balance. Once you open the Balance section, tap on Get More Coins. Here, you will see different coin packages that you can purchase. Just select the amount of coins you want, confirm the payment, and the coins will be added to your TikTok account instantly. You can use these coins to send gifts to your favorite creators during live streams on TikTok. And that's it! That's how you can easily purchase coins on TikTok. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.